everybody, welcome back to Old Volks TV. We're driving to Eric's house to go pick up something awesome, and then we're gonna go pick up a transmission, and then we're gonna go take that transmission and drop it off at Udo's house so I can get a transmission built for that bug. It's an adventure today, right, Sean?
It is always an adventure with you.
We got Sean. I kidnapped him for the day for his family. Riding shotgun, making sure I don't fall asleep. So, yay! We're almost to Eric's house. We left like so freaking early, it was still dark. And we've already had our second cups of coffee, and now we're super wired. And so yeah, we'll be there in a few minutes. We'll show you what kind of awesome stuff we got. Maybe he'll let us walk around for a minute and check out his giant limo bus, which is really why I wanted to come up here. So, enjoy the drive. There we go. Look what we got. Our friend Eric sold us a super sweet camp tent trailer.
And I've not crawled inside. There may be something good in there.
It could be stashed full of money or dead bodies or something.
Probably the latter.
Pretty cool for the bus. It's got a little rack underneath for your firewood or whatever. We're gonna get this thing home and clean it up and see if we can't get it open later and get it. Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of time today to look at his amazing collection of stuff. I really wanted to go look at that bus. Little Citroen. You got rid of the little micro car, huh?
No, you need to see inside.
You still got it back there? Trailer. We got a nice little quick brisk walk around the property. We got to see
very quick. Would have been nice to hang out longer.
I could hang out at Eric's place all day. He's got so much cool stuff. And that stretched out bus, man, that thing's crazy.
Yeah, I got some pictures of it. I'll post them on Instagram.
Yeah, you'll get to see those pictures before you see this video, because
yeah, at OldVolksTV on Instagram.
Yeah, we Instagram constantly. Well, he does. He's the photo internet guy behind the scenes. So now we're on our way to go pick up this trailer up in transmission. Sorry, yeah, the transmission up in Lake Whitney. It worked out really nice that they were able to come down because they're going to the lake and it's close to Eric's place. So, you know, it's like another 10 or 15 minutes drive north just to pick up this transmission, and then we'll stop by Udo's place and take a look around down there.
Drop off the transmission.
Drop off that transmission, get a nice race car transmission for that Project Ragtop that we've been playing with. So we'll just enjoy the ride in the country now. Maybe we'll get some barbecue, huh?
Yeah, sounds good.
All right,
that's tradition.
As tradition dictates, find somewhere to get barbecue. right, we made it to this little grocery store in Whitney. They waited for us. Lucky us. Nice. So here's our transmission for the race car. Soon to be at Udo's shop. Yay! This is like halfway through our day. We got so much to do today. So much. So we're gonna throw this in the back of the work truck and make sure the trailer is not falling off, and then head home. Here we go. All right, there it was. What a fun trip, huh, Sean?
Great day.
What a great day. We got our Buc-ee's two times.
Our barbecue.
Got our barbecue.
That's right, breakfast tacos.
We had breakfast Buc-ee's and we had lunchtime Buc-ee's. We had a nice little visit with Eric and looked at his junk, and then got that transmission, and we went to Udo's super top secret workshop.
Yeah.
Where we didn't get to film anything, but you know, took a couple pictures of some key components, and you know, it was a long drive home, and we're finally back, and it only took us half a day, and we're early, and
families will be happy.
Yeah, the families will be happy, the wife will be happy, but the screaming baby, hi. It's a fan honking. They recognized us driving around. This guy.
I don't think they have a...
Why would you wave with your one finger? That's weird. I don't care. I do what I want. Look, now we're in a weird line for
Chick-fil-A. You got to get over there.
Jeez. Oh my God, what did I do? All right, we got to figure out this parking lot situation, because now I got us in a pickle. Got this weird little trailer back there that I can't even see, so there's no backing up. All right, well, Sean says I have to tell you guys or remind you guys to subscribe. So there's a button
somewhere.
Click it and subscribe. We appreciate you watching.
Check out our Instagram.
Our Instagram at OldVolksTV, which is over here somewheres. And our Facebook at OldVolksTV. And OldVolksTV.com, where everything is linked. And check out all our friends with the links, which are all down below in the description down here.
And we have them on our website.
Yeah, just click them.
If you want to be added, just send us an email. Let us know.
Yeah, we can add you to that list, so you can be spread out just like everybody else. And buy shirts from wherever the link is that we're selling shirts from these days. I have no idea. He does that part.
Teespring.
It's Teespring still?
Yeah, for now.
For now. Quality,
we're working on it. Quality
issues. We're on the hunt for something else, but you know, you can still buy the shirts. They're nice.
Yeah, they are.
Wow, this guy is going that way. And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.